Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Surbi here, and today I'm going to discuss with you some tips, time management tips for students. So first tip is that write everything down. Maintain and use a quarter planner to indicate when the major projects will be due. Exams will be, tests, papers, etc. will be held. Copy important deadlines. Write down deadlines in stages like research, outline, first draft, etc. So maintain your date book, basically diary, wherein you'll write down what is your homework, what are your notes you have to write for today, this day, particular day. Make a weekly planner, a quarter planner, important deadlines, basically when your assignment is due. So first assignment is due on, write the date, the assignment, when the when is your test, basically when are your tests, write the dates, and when are you supposed to complete, what is the syllabus. You can make columns. What is the syllabus, the subject, syllabus, the date of the test, then how much you have completed, how much you are yet to complete, and write the deadline over there, when is the when you have to complete the information studies, and put a tick mark when you do it. So accordingly you should plan and write down a date book. Then consolidate information in your date book. As I said, consolidate your planning time. Plan and organize your studies and manage your time well. Prioritize your information, prioritize your studies which are very important first. Complete your syllabus first and then jump onto your references, reference books, external information that you can gather, criticisms, and the extra information that you need to master. Then take half an hour to plan a day or a week at a time, specifically looking at which assignments to do and when. So according to your dates, when are you supposed to submit your assignments, when are you supposed to do them, accordingly you should plan. As I told you, maintain a date book, and you have to complete your assignments at least few days before the submission. So accordingly you have to plan and write the deadline. Structure your out of class time. When are you supposed to meet your friends, when are you supposed to spend social times, etc. Write down a specific assignment into a specific time slot, as if it was a class you were planning to attend. Be there on time. So always be there on time. Use small bits of time between class and meetings effectively. In 15 minutes, you can review, edit, and revise your notes for the recent lecture. So whenever you have a lecture, right, coming, so you just have to, review all the material that happened in the last lecture and underline and highlight basically the important points. You have to absorb the material, grasp the material first, and try to understand. And if you have any doubts or questions in the class itself, you can ask your class teacher or your ma'am, basically, who is teaching you, who has knowledge about it. So edit it and revise your notes from the recent lecture. Attend all the classes. Don't miss any lectures, because teachers do tend to give extra information, references, and expected questions, basically, which are likely to come in the exam, and they give more information which may not be in the textbook, which you may not have heard about. So about the current scenarios and the environmental issues which are going on, social issues, they may be discussed as well, and these questions which are not in your textbook may be asked in the exams also. So basically learn to attend all the classes. Do not bunk your lectures. Second, review your notes daily. Whatever information you have collected through your class lectures, as well as through your reference work, so that information, read your notes daily, so that you will not tend to forget that information also, and that will be absorbed or imprinted in your brains permanently. Read material prior to being covered in the class, so that you can grasp the upcoming information. Study daily. Then have at least one conference with the professor. At least update your information, how much you have learned, what are your queries, So get them solved with your professors. Develop and learn a word list for the course. Read materials to improve your background in the course other than the text. So basically your reference, internet sources other than the textbook. Attend help session. If at all you need any help or remedy sessions, then definitely go for it. Do not feel shy or do not feel lazy for it. Do attend those sessions as well. Then attend learning resource lab when available. Develop a list of possible questions. Ask questions in the class. Make your own questions as well. Then study an old exam, that is when available. So basically old question papers are something which you need to study. So because most likely it happens that questions may be asked from your last question paper itself or last few question papers. So review all your last year's question papers as well. So mostly in the questions might be asked from those question papers only. So apart from that also you may refer to other sources because there may be additional questions to next year which you have to confront. Then sleep at least 8 hours night before, because that keeps your mind fresh and active in order to recall material which is necessary. Then avoid last minute cram session, guys. Start your studies right from the starting, as I said, in goal setting, time management, how to study, we have discussed in the study skills. Say no to those things basically which toll your study time. For example, your play time, your time with your friends, social groups, etc. So learn to curtail them. I mean, learn to balance them. Most importantly, you need to understand how much time you're supposed to devote to your studies and how much time should be there for your friends and social groups and music, other activities basically. So maximum time devote to your studies. Most importantly, especially when exams are nearing, you have to pay attention to your studies. And also don't cram up all the material all at once, guys. Do it step by step. Even if you have not completed on the final day of exam, don't get anxious. Whatever you have learned, focus on that and try to make that more stronger, that material more stronger, so that at least you don't miss on that material because of anxiety. And most importantly, stay relaxed just before the exam. And you have already learned the tactics of time management. So even while writing exams, there is a practice the system of time management. Give a certain amount of time to a certain amount of question. If you are writing a 10 marks question, give that question the most priority and time basically. So how much amount of answer you need to write, how much words it requires, what details, what content basically. Focus on the quality rather than the quantity, and how much amount of words it requires, because detail is also an important part of the answer. So focus on the detail as well as the quality, and give a maximum amount of priority to that 10 mark question rather than the 2 marks or 3 marks question. The 2 marks or 3 marks question should take lesser amount of time and it should be very quick. So depending upon the amount of grades basically, the amount of marks, you have to allot that specific amount of time to each question depending upon the importance, right? So do not forget to set a time limit even when you're writing your exams, because that is very important. Don't write very slowly in the initial stage and later, so that later on you have to crowd up all the information and hustle because there is very less time. So allot time to each and every question, whatever it requires, so that you complete your question paper on time with all the contents for each answer, each question, and each answer is written completely. So do not leave your question papers incomplete. Avoid too much over planning, guys, and be flexible enough. Even if you have not completed your schedules, don't get disheartened. Try to cover up that session which you are missing on in the next session itself. So before the next session, you should be able to complete that chunk of information which is pending in a minimum amount of time with more concentration and attention. It will toll your attention and concentration more because you had missed that session. So So focus on completing your plans. Don't delay them, otherwise it will be difficult for you to complete your next plans and studies. And beware of perfectionism. No one is perfect. Whatever you're doing, do it perfectly and give your 100% to that, and be confident about your exams. So if you like today's video, do share to those who require it, all other students, and thank you so much. Keep watching.